Welcome to Gyaniketan Girls School. Hello students, I am Aarti Sharma. In my previous video, I discussed with you the summary of Unfolding Bud, which is written by Naoshi Kuriyama. It is written by Naoshi Kuriyama. Naoshi Kuriyama. In this video, I am going to discuss the question answers given in the book. Now, your first question is, does the water lily open up, that is bloom, quickly over a night or day or gradually over a few days? What supports your answer? Now the answer is, the water lily opens up not within single day or overnight. It takes a few days to flourish in full bloom. The poet Kuriyama analyzed it in a simple but magnificent way. He picturizes the water lily unfolding all its petals with every passing day, taking in a richer color and ethereal dimensions in different directions. Now the second question is, what is amazing about that process of opening up? What two things change each day? The answer is, the amazing part of the process of opening up of a water lily is really outstanding. It opens up with its beauty, not at once, but gradually and steadily. On each passing day, it takes up enriched with color and new dimensions. The third question is, why do you think the last three lines are written in that way? Sorry guys, not this is, there's a understanding the point. The third question is, what is our first reading of a poem compared to? Do we find that surprising? The answer is the poem Unfolding Bud, written by Naoshi Kuriyama, is an unconventional one, reflecting the image of a different conception. It possesses an allegorical meaning. The poem has been compared with the blooming of a water lily with the words. It is surprising because hardly had any poet compared the meaning of a poem with gradually unfolding flower like water lily. The next question is, when are we actually surprised about the poem? What it caused? The answer is, we are actually surprised about the poem. Better to say, we are actually amazed at the first glance. The poet actually elaborates the beauty of a water lily with that of a poem. Kuriyama says that a poem initially appears difficult to understand, but gradually it blooms with its meaning like a water lily that opens its petals. Now question number 5 is, does the poem just unfold as time passes, or does it happen when we do something a few times? What do we have to do? The answer is, a poem has a magical power, but it only becomes lovely when we comprehend the meaning. When we comprehend the meaning, then only it becomes lovely. A poem becomes more and more comprehensive when we study sincerely and repeatedly. In the same way, when we go through a difficult time and again we achieve a skillful ability. So the poet means to say that when we go through a difficult time and again we achieve a skillful ability, in the same way the poem also becomes more and more comprehensive when we study sincerely and repeatedly. Question number 6 is, the water lily grows larger in size and gets a deeper color as it unfolds. What does the poem? The answer is, all the good poems have colorful features like the wings of a beautiful bird. We may call it a flower too, with its colorful or beautiful or magnificent petals. The water lily grows larger in size and gets a deeper color when unfolds. In the same way, a poem flourishes a process of understanding. So we have discussed the question answers of the poem. Now let's discuss the poetic devices. In this poem, there's no rhyme scheme, so it is called a free verse, and there are imagery. Poet uses words to paint picture in the minds of the readers and listeners about the flowers, water lily and its richer color, its new dimensions, etc. So we have completed the unfolding bud. Thank you.